Namaste, welcome to Adharva Nava. I am Sirisha and I teach mathematics and physics for CBSE, ICSE and IGCSE grade 6 to 10. To follow my classes, kindly subscribe to Adharva Nava, hit the bell icon for further notifications on different topics. Kindly share, comment to help others as well. Thank you. Let us start with the model number 2. Okay, in this model I am going to discuss about some problems in AP which are of this kind. Okay, let us say fourth term of AP is 0. Prove that 25th term is equals to 3 times 11th term. This is the question. Now observe carefully, whatever question he gives you, you need to write it in the format where we can use the formula. Okay, so first I will convert this as T4. T4 is equals to 0 is what one is given, and then the question says prove that, which means you have to find 25th term and you have to find 11th term. Okay, and then individually you will find all of these, use them and find the respective values, prove that they are equal. Okay, so let me find here, already it is given T4 is 0, T25 you have to find, also you have to find T11. Okay, then what is times in mathematics? It says multiplication. Okay, which means here I should prove that T25 is equals to 3 times T11. This is what I am going to prove now. Okay, let us see. Let us start. T4 is equals to 0. What does this mean? First thing first, do you have A value? Do you have D value? Do you have N value? A value, D value is not available just because there is no sequence with us. Yes or no? This must be the first doubt which you should get when I started this problem. But nothing to worry, you will use A as A, D as D and N as 4. Why N is 4? Because it is given T4 is equals to 0, which means the suffix here with the T represents always the N value. So that's what we will take. Now Tn is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D formula. Except N, rest will remain the same. So I'll write T4 is equals to A value is A plus N is 4 minus 1 into D. Don't worry, you need not substitute A and D values because we don't have them. Okay, so A plus 3D. But what is T4? 0. So can I write A plus 3D is equals to 0? Then can I write A as minus 3D? Just the algebra, simple algebra I am using. Okay, next we will find T25. T25 similarly we will find. So I am writing direct. T25 is equals to A plus N minus 1. N is what? 25 here. For T5, N is 25, isn't it? So I will write that. Then 25 minus 1 into D, which will be A plus 24D over. Do we have T25 value? No, I don't have it. I just write T25 is equals to A plus 24D. This is over. Next, we need to find T11 respectively. Now, what about 3 into m? We will do that later. Okay, we'll just finish this process of finding their terms individually. Let it be in terms of A and B, but we will just find them. Okay, then T11 is equals to A plus 11 minus 1 into D. I'll write T11 here. Okay, right, so it will become T11 is equals to A plus 10D over. Now what is the simple rule you have to use? He said you should write T25 is equals, you should get T25 as 3 times T11, isn't it? So I will start writing 3 times T11 is equals to 3 bracket, what is T11? A plus 10D, isn't it? So I'll write 3A plus 30D. What is A here? Minus 3D. You can do this two ways. I'll show you both. Okay, 3 times minus 3D. Where did I get this 3D from? Here. Okay, I used this A value as minus 3D here because I want to get in terms of D. Then it will become A is equals to minus 9D plus 30D, which will become 21D, isn't it? Okay, let us see. Now this is 3 times T11. Let us check with the, it's only in terms of D, okay. Now let us check with the T25. T25 is how much? A plus 24D, which is nothing but A is what? Minus 3D. Again taking the same reference value. A is minus 3D plus 24D, which will give me my 21D. Aren't they same? See, this and this matches. So then I have to write LHS equals to RHS, hence proved. Understood?